journey so far has been really good. I have learned a lot from the show, the artists, all the senior artists I've been working with, Usha Nadkarni, Savita Prabhune, Manav, Hiten sir, Ankita ma'am. So I think, and especially my co-star Ritwik, because usually I shoot with him. So, and as everybody knows that he's a fantastic actor, fantastic dancer. So I think since the day one I started doing Pavitra Rishta, I wasn't that confident, I wasn't that good. But I think acting wise and dancing, both I've improved a lot. And I would give the credit to Ritwik because acting mein I was zero, romantic scenes kuch nahi aata tha mujhe. So I think we both worked it out, and I remember my first dance performance with him. I see that performance and I see the performance I've done with him, the latest one. I see a huge difference. So I think the journey so far has been really good. So many ups and downs I've seen, and a lot of improvement I can see in my own self. I think I have 3 friends in Pavitra Rishta, like 3 most like the closest friends I have, Ritwik, Shruti and Jia. I would say that mentally and I think I really gel very well with Shruti Kanwar, the one who plays Ovi. So yeah, because me and Shruti are like, I don't know, the brain what matches up so well that we gel along so well. If there would be a certain joke, a certain anything, तो वो चीज़ अगर बाकी किसी को समझ में नहीं आएगी, मुझे और श्रुति को समझ में आती थी, and we would just look at each other and laugh. So, but otherwise, Jia is a very good friend, Ritwik is a very good friend. So yeah, these 3 are my closest friends in Pavitra Rishta. Actually, not much of difference, but Asha would never compromise, would never sacrifice her love. That's the only difference. Otherwise, I think, but I think I am a little more chirpy than Purvi. Purvi is a little mature. She is self-dependent like Asha. A little more mature than Asha. And otherwise, I think I like staying at home. I think that there's not much of a difference. It's only the the sacrifice part. I would never sacrifice my love. I am self-dependent like Purvi. So yeah, very much like Purvi. Frankly speaking, I have no idea because someday we get to know that Ankita is coming back. The other day we get to know that no, Ankita is not coming back. Some other person, some other actress will be playing her character. So far nothing has been decided yet. We are still waiting for the real. I mean, for my Archana mom, I'm waiting who's gonna play it. So let's see who comes. It is good. It's nice doing scenes with him. I am comfortable with him. Yeah, so far the chemistry is good. I think I would prefer Arjun because I have spent more time with Arjun, and it's been, I think, almost 1.5 years I've been doing scenes with Arjun, and we gel along really well, and so I think the chemistry, the romantic scenes, we've done all sort of scenes, anger, frustration, love, and the fights we used to have earlier. So I think chemistry wise I would say Arjun, yeah. I think pressure wise, if you're an actor, you're always under pressure. It's not just Balaji, because especially daily soaps mein ye hota hai that you have to work for more than 12 hours sometimes, and I have experienced my record was 34 hours continuous. That was during my marriage. when I was going to get married to Arjun, but unfortunately I made Ovi marry Arjun. I think Pavitra Rishta has given me a lot. Like, I was nothing before this. Just a normal actor. I mean, I got the recognition. I got the name of Purvi through Pavitra Rishta. People now, everywhere people know who I am just because of Pavitra Rishta. So I think there's everything good about Pavitra Rishta. Nothing bad I could say about my show. Because what I am today, it's only because of the show. Relationship as in?
Are you seeing?
No, not really. It's like we both are very good friends, and the limit, which two normal good friends have, I think it's more than that. We both are really, really comfortable with each other. We enjoy each other's company. We have a lot of fun, and I think that's what makes people notice that, okay, are they seeing each other? But it's not true.
So are you seeing someone else?
Not really, not currently.
So what's your scene with the marriage and when do you plan to?
Marriage, probably after 3-4 years, yeah. Not now. Hi, this is Asha Negi. Please log on to bollywoodlife.com for more news and gossips.